Well, Jackie, let me tell you, you just don't change. You're still the debonair, handsome. My God, look at the way he's maintained himself.
Thank you. Look at you, ladies. Just look at
My
you.
favorite
How
actor to work with.
sweet.
No, honestly, I always used to say the most stylish star was Feroz Khan in those days. I think he is absolutely the second generation.
This is the beautiful candle. Can I borrow it just in case of an electricity power cut in my building?
I believe you are in the habit of stealing items from the set.
No, I don't steal things. I openly tell people that I'm very poor and I need this candle. Yes, this is a beautiful candle. I could sell it off for what?
As long as it's not in the
$500 for this candle. This is an outrage. I refuse to pay this much.
मैंने रोका भी नहीं और वो ठहरा भी नहीं
और वो ठहरा भी नहीं और वो ठहरा
भी नहीं
हादसा
हादसा क्या था जिसे
हादसा क्या था जिसे
दिल ने बुलाया भी नहीं
दिल ने भुलाया भी नहीं
दिल ने बुलाया
Too good.
भी नहीं
So you know, Zarine, the beauty of this song is that it just came out.
I know.
And I keep on composing like that. I'm
today.
enjoying this atmosphere where you are there. You are our inspiration, Zarine.
Really? How
You are the
sweet.
inspiration.
Also acted with Feroz many times, no?
He casted me in a film called Ghair Ilaka. He ऐसे एक coin फेंका था पापा ने ऐसे ठक करके gold coin और gold coin में पकड़ा था बोले that's your signing amount. And I was waiting कि कब शुरू होगी कहानी. But Dayawan, Vinod Saab came back and Dayawan
Oh,
happened
so you
and
missed that.
Ghair Ilaka was like in the limbo.
But you gave the gold coin back or you...
नहीं रखा.
He's such a flirt, Zarine auntie.
I'm not
you
flirting.
Know, what is? I have to tell you this. So we've done quite a few films together.
Yeah.
And each time I've worked with Dino, he's been in a steady relationship.
Hey,
So,
let's not talk about my relationships and all that now.
And the funny
It's a
thing,
food show.
Wait, yeah.
All right, okay.
I'm saying something nice. It's a backhanded compliment.
Just-
And unlike most heroes who, you know, whether they're married or in a relationship, when they're on set with a lady and they flirt, but they usually do it behind the backs of their wives and their girlfriends. So they're dual personalities,
different,
really.
yes.
Two different.
Chupa Rustam.
Haan, Chupa Rustam, fully. This one is Khula Rustam. So he is the only man in the industry I know who will openly flirt with a lady in the presence of the person he loves, because it's the most natural thing for him. There's no agenda.
Do you know why? I have to tell you this. Dino's father is an Italian.
Yes. So it's in his DNA. He can't help
It's his
it.
DNA. And his father also was the most good-looking guy in his times. And I remember he used to also be a charmer and he used to try to charm me all the time.
Really?
अगर इटालियंस के हाथ बांध दो तो कुछ बात नहीं कर सकते हैं because those man I like it's good and पूरे कंधे बने it's good where you go it's no talk
लेकिन हम भी हाथों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं सिमिलरिटीज बहुत हैं हिंदुस्तान और इटली में
वो संडो खान actually was a very good मिश्रण था संडो खान was actually a Punjabi and a Muslim called संधू खान
हाँ ये मुझे बात सूझी नहीं अब तक
आपकी स्टोरी है कि आप मोटे से पतले हुए और मैं इतना पतला बच्चा था कि पूरे स्कूल में सबसे आई थिंक वीक मैं ही था आई यूज्ड टू फील बैड कि लोगों को बोलता मैं दारा सिंह का बेटा तो दारा सिंह का बेटा हो ही नहीं सकता
Your dad, what was his staple food?
स्टोरियां तो बहुत है
तो बोलो, we want to hear.
चिकन पता नहीं क्या क्या स्टोरियां हैं स्टोरीज He was not like that. मतलब he had a very simple diet थी उनकी. सुबह उठते थे. From around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, exercise. Till around 7:30.
Oh my gosh.
So by the time he would finish his exercise, there would be a pool of water. That was his sweat.
Oh my gosh.
So around 7:30, he'd finish the exercise, and then there would be 100 badams and around 10 kali mirchi. So they would take that and they would crush it, and then they would pour slowly little water and little milk and make one glass out of that full thing. That is called a shardai. If you have one glass now, for 3 days you can't eat food. That is how.
I've become like Terminator.
Yeah.
Whenever I go like Iron Man, I go and there's food.
Yeah.
And I know, अच्छा, this is so much, this is so much, this is so much, this is so much. Okay, so I'll go for this one.
बेटा तू बहुत लंबा सफर करके आया है कहाँ से आया बेटा बस तू एक काम कर माँ के हाथों का गाजर का हलवा मैंने पकाया, वो जरूर खा ली।
50-60 दिन हम लोग साउथ अफ्रीका में थे, केप टाउन, और शूटिंग चल रही थी और काफी दिन तक हम बहुत हेल्थ कॉन्शियस था, सब लोग जिम जा रहे थे उस वक्त रेगुलर, और अजय देवगन, जायद, मैं, हम सब इकट्ठा जाते थे। ऐसे ऑफ डे हुआ करते थे कि चलो आज कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, और उस वक्त यू स्टार्ट क्रेविंग फॉर इंडियन फूड कि कब हमें खाना मिले। तो एक दिन जायद बोले कि आई एम गोइंग टू कुक, तो मैंने कहा मर गए यार, अभी जायद अभी क्या पकाएंगे मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन फिर शॉपिंग के लिए फिर गाड़ी निकाली, हम लोग सुपरमार्केट गए, चिकन विकन मसाला जो भी आता है लेके आए और बैठ गया। मैंने किसी को कहा कि यार ये तो ठीक है ना, बैकअप प्लान क्या है क्योंकि बैकअप होना जरूरी है, बैकअप होना जरूरी है। तो इन्होंने शुरू किया म्यूजिक, कोई कहीं नाच रहा है, फिर पानी डाला सेट पे, हर जगह, और थोड़ा ये डालो, फिर डांस करके आओ, फिर थोड़ा नमक डालो, फिर थोड़ा चक्कर मार के आओ।
पूरे चार्ली चैपलिन एपिसोड बना दिया।
अमेजिंग, और उसके बाद मैं बैठा हूँ एंड इट वाज unbelievable.
Do you remember what we called it?
And I will tell you what we called it. हमने कहा था, इस डिश का नाम हमने रखा था शोले।
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 It was शोले because it was constantly a hit. और उसके बाद मेरे दरवाजे पे घंटी बजती, टिंग टोंग, अजय कुछ बना रहा है क्या? I said आजा, हो रहा है। फिर एकदम आधे घंटे बाद रितेश, टिंग टोंग, कुछ बना रहा है क्या?
Give me no कद्दू, give me no बैंगन, आए हम इस शो पे, हमें खिलाओ, प्रॉन पिलाओ, पानी पिलाओ और खिलाओ,
भैया
प्रॉन पिलाओ, give me no कद्दू, give me no बैंगन।
भाई वे प्रॉन को पी गए हैं, प्रॉन पिलाओ।
प्रॉन पिलाओ।